Hi Iris, what are you doing here?
Hi, Alina. Nothing special. Just try to finish the work and get ready for the National Day holiday. How about you?
Oh, the National Day holiday is anticipated for everyone. Oh, well, I just got some questions from some client last week. Just want to find someone to help me answer this question. Can you do me a favor?
Sure, come on.
Okay, and the first question may be, where can I find the price for 10 by 10 feet canopy?
Well, for any price checking or you want to get a price quote, the first thing is to find the correct product on our website. So for a 10 by 10 feet canopy, after logging into your account, you need to find this product in the advertising tent section, then select the product specification according to your needs. And in this stage, you can see the unit price of the product only. And here is a tip. If your artwork is not ready yet and just want to get a price quote first, you could upload any image first to check out. After checkout, don't forget to enter the shipping address and select a shipping way. Then you will get a total amount that is including the shipping cost. Sapphire website is a 24-hour online quoting and ordering system, so you can find the price and order at any time freely.
Got it. Detail. That's really time-saving and user-friendly for our customer due to the time differences. And no need to wait for sales like traditional or business mode.
Yes.
Then, the next one, could you customize suitable canopy to match clients' own template?
Yes. Sapphire offers the full set of tent hardware, but we also know that some customers already have the tent hardware from other suppliers and just want to get a price replacement tent from us. Well, Sapphire not only provides you with a high-quality tent, but also provides the easiest and fastest one-stop service. Therefore, all your tent frames from other suppliers can be matched with the perfect customized tent from us. Just tell us the detailed measurements of your tent frame, then we can help to set up a template, also a matchable tent for you.
Wow, amazing service. That's really helpful for some clients, I believe. More flexible purchasing. No need to buy the whole package when they just want a canopy replacement. Sounds so cost-effective to size them. Okay, go ahead with the final question. As we know, template is heavy, especially for back orders. Do you stock template in the USA?
That is a great question. We do have two warehouses in the US. One is in California and the other one is in New Jersey. Well, our warehouse is exactly used to stock the tent hardware. While they are heavyweights and will cost a lot of shipping cost if shipped from China. But ordering the tent hardware from our US warehouse can help to save almost 30% on shipping cost. And you know what? We are providing a big sales event for 10 by 10 feet 10 frames of warehouse recently. Save up to 23% for items labeled with stock in the US. Just free to check the detail on the Sapphire website. Hurry up as the quantity is limited. And kindly note that ordering from US warehouse is only available for the shipping address that locates in the States.
Iris, thanks for your all answer. A great job today. And for more Q&A info, you can see it in our help center. If you like our videos, you can just subscribe to our channel. And if you have any question, you can comment below the video. And your question may be picked and answered in our next video as the lucky one.
By the way, our National Day holiday is coming, but Sapphire online store and workshop will keep running, so free to place your order during the holiday. Your order will be produced as scheduled and sent out once the express companies are back to work. Bye.